Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. I just got back from going to one of my favorite coffee shops, getting a little matcha, doing a little 2-mile walk at the beach. Something in my brain just hit and I am yearning for fall vibes. I don't know. Before I do anything, I want to show you guys the workout set that I'm wearing because I am going to change out of it, but let me just show you real quick. This is the new workout set that I got from Amazon. Same material, same brand as all of my other Amazon workout sets, but I'm not running yet because my ankles are still healing, but I went for a little walk to test the waters. I've been doing my ankle rehabilitation exercises. I've been getting my ankles back. I'm taking advantage of this fall weather and doing more decluttering, more tasks on my task list. I'll actually go in depth and show you the Notion because I've done so much. I've put in so many hours to rehauling my Notion and making all these databases and new pages and everything. But once the whole Notion is rehauled and I've created all the databases and everything is all set up, it's going to be so much easier because everything is just quick to add in. When I'm done rehauling my Notion, I'm then going to do a little video of everything in my Notion, and also it's basically the exact same as the templates that I'm going to sell. I'll show you guys a little more of a sneak peek later. I'm going to take this weekend to deep clean the apartment, declutter, and just tick off those to-dos within the projects of resetting my life and all that stuff.
I'm terrible at this. What do I say? I was just telling.
Little intermish to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy to get started by choosing from one of the many templates designed for every category that allows you to customize the look and add in your own content. You do also have the option to design your own template, and this is my website that houses everything relating to my personal brand. A goal of mine is to eventually launch my own online store, and Squarespace already has that feature available to me when I'm ready. So you can sell your products in an online store, whether they're physical, digital, or service products. And speaking of service products, they also have a built-in scheduling feature that lets you create and accept appointments through your website. The scheduling function has everything needed to manage your schedule, accept payments, send auto reminders, and showcase your services. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. You guys remember I built this little dresser to house my PR that I haven't posted yet. Great idea, loved that, but I haven't been posting the PR fast enough, and so now we've accumulated a pile. And I still have that bin over there with hair products that I'm trying, but they're not in my bathroom yet. I wanted to save the bathroom declutter so that we can bring all of my beauty products, including all of this, into one area, and then we can really sort through it, take inventory of what I have. I also want to create in my Notion a beauty products database, the current products that I have, if I've run out of something, what I want to try next, so that I can kind of all see it. Even though I'm supposed to see all of this, I want to have it all in my Notion because I am on my Notion more than I am under my sink. So this might be a really chaotic way to do this, but I feel in my heart that it's right. So I'm gonna go get everything beauty product related that's under my sink. You don't even want to say vibes. It's just, we thought we organized this last time, but did I use any of the products? Nor vibes. Oh, this is all refilled, except that. Okay. I love being alive, it's great. This was everything that was under my bathroom sink. I have a whole guest bathroom, so I think I could store stuff in there. I don't know what or how, really, but let's just take it one step at a time. This looks like a mess, but it is all organized. So these were in my console in my living room. This basket is for face masks and hair masks. So anything self-care, like Sunday evening type vibe, it'll be in the console and I'll know it's all in there and it's not mixed in with other hair stuff. And then this one also goes in the console and it's restock items. I consider shampoo and conditioner that I haven't used restock because let's say I run out of my Olaplex and I just want to use up something new before I get another Olaplex. So I put that in here and other restocks of like things that I already use. I love how it's all purple shampoo because I never use purple shampoo. Favorite primer, by the way. Smells unreal. I wish they would make it in a perfume, but that's a restock and I have a bunch of other restocks that I use. And then these all go back in my bathroom. This is bath stuff and tan stuff. So like body scrubs and self tanner and then like more bath stuff, Epsom salts. And then this is hair products that are for after the shower, like leave-in stuff, oils, serums, texture spray. Dry shampoo is also in here because it just felt right to put it there. And then here is all of my skincare that's not face masks and also restock items. So I already have this in my everyday skincare over there. And then this is body care. These are body washes, shaving creams, and sunscreen sun stuff. Sun and skin care for the body. I don't know what's happening here, but this is my everyday bin that goes back in the front of my bathroom, and this is just stuff I use every day. Who would have guessed? These need to go in there, but I have decluttered everything. And then also the drawers. I redid everything to be things that I do need to post PR for and that I really want to. And then over here is stuff to give away. I moved it from that drawer because this is not the sturdiest and I'm scared that it will break. So I put all of the giveaway stuff in here and then that stuff to go to my mom, beauty products that I think she would like. I have a chair coming for my office. Well, it's not coming yet, but it's going to be coming. And I wanted to get your opinion on where I should put it because in my head, I have always thought of this spot. I have always wanted to put a chair there. I'm thinking we just move the dresser, push it over, maybe this a couple inches, and then put the chair right there, and eventually put a little cozy lamp on that corner of the dresser. That's gonna go to my mom, but I'm thinking that's the spot we just move things. Don't pay any attention to the mess, okay, vibes? I had to move it because I wanted to show you the spot. It's all gonna go away. Giveaway stuff, Amazon, back to school that I have to open. Nobody cares. I'm going to eventually get rid of the bookshelf and give it to my mom, but that's probably when I get the corner desk that I want because I did find a cute one. I thought that corner desks were the most hideous thing ever and I could not find one, but West Elm has one that looks just like this desk. Within my Notion, I made a little apartment wish list, so I broke it down by the different rooms of my apartment and I am going to put all of the pieces that I want to finish the apartment on this board. I don't have much on it right now, but I do have the desk and the chair, and I do want to get obviously a new desk chair because that is the most painful desk chair. I end up sitting like weirdly crouched. It's just not good for my back and I already have a bad back and I get back pain really easily. So my desk is not ergonomically shaped. I got into researching ergonomics. Obviously, my desk setup is all kinds of incorrect, so I have back pain and neck pain all the time, and I only edit on my desktop, so when I'm sitting there for like 10 hours, I'm dying vibes. So I need to get a new desk chair because I want a rolly, typical desk chair, but really comfortable, but I have carpet, so rolly chair on carpet, how does that... If you have any desk chair ideas or you see one that you think is my vibe, DM me on Instagram, leave a link to it in the comments below. So this is the desk that I want to put in the corner. It's the same line as my current desk, so it will look nice and cute in the corner. And if it comes out towards the window a little bit, that's fine. We'll figure out the bench situation when we cross that bridge. And then this is the chair that I'm getting. And it looks big. It's 45 inches wide, and I think I'm 60 inches, so like if I lay out, I could get a measuring tape. I'm gonna show you on my desktop really quickly a little sneak peek of all the stuff that I've done on Notion. Not all of it because there is so much. When I'm done with it, I will make a whole run through video going through the whole entire Notion and basically how I organize my life in Notion with this new rehaul. But for now, let me just show you a quick little sneak peek. I titled them different things. I think I'm gonna call it Life Planner, but I had a different name because it's basically identical and I don't want to get confused. But this is my dashboard and this is the one that I'm making. So it's basically, it is identical. It just doesn't have my stuff in it, obviously. I'm obviously going to tweak it a little bit, refine it, but essentially this is the bones so far of the dashboard. And we have a little navigation page here. These are all of the databases, so the tasks and projects. This is how mine looks. This absolutely changed the game for me, and it makes all of my to-dos being in one place so easy. And you can do the quick capture brain dump right there, and everything is sorted out so nicely. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys this in depth. Daily tracking, I'm still finishing that. That's basically to track all of your habits, your routines, your health symptoms every day, stuff like that. And then the brand dashboard, I love. I thought you guys would find it helpful if you are in this field or you want to get into content creation, because it's so nice to have everything in one space. We have a little brainstorm section. This is like your workspace. And then we have more things over here. We've got your content calendar. This I always am on. That's why I also keep it as a view down here. And then this is a view of your content calendar, and it shows you the content that you have going up on all platforms for the week. And then the PR inbox, which just brain dumps into your PR posting list. So whenever you get new PR, you can put in information here to remember to post for it. And then you've got your brand deals, which I love this because I created a bunch of formulas so that you can know when payment is due soon, payment that's overdue, and payments that are due today. And then we have the actual database for your yearly brand deals, just to keep everything organized. I could talk about this for so long. I'm not gonna get into everything. There's just a lot on here, and it's taken me a long time, but it's just gonna be so nice to have everything this organized. Habits and routines, which nothing is filled out here, but let me show you mine really quickly. I'm gonna show you mine really quickly because it's filled out and it repeats every day, and you can see your progress. And then you have your habits over here. I have to create the weekly reset still, but you have a monthly, quarterly, and yearly review. So I made all of these covers for every month, and I filled out 2024. And because this is gonna come out obviously very soon before the month or before the year ends, I have 2023 still in there. And then I have quarters, so the quarters for the year, and then within those quarters, we also do have our monthly reviews. Oh, let me show you what it looks like inside the monthly review. So that's what it looks like inside the monthly review. I'm gonna add more stuff with the daily tracking. I'm gonna also put that on here so you can kind of see your progress with habits and everything every month. Yearly review, and then I have my yearly reset within that. So I have to create the finances database, but we also have shopping. So these are shopping lists and wish lists of things that you want. We have household, which is all cleaning stuff. If you want an apartment wish list like I have, I put it there. I have to finish tweaking these, and then a digital journal, just, oh, and therapy notes. I forgot I added that, but it's just journal entries because for me personally, I can't write as fast as I think, but I can type semi-fast. So I found it easier to just have a digital journal. And then under play, this is all just fun things. We have a travel database with all of this stuff in it. Also food places you want to check out, a watch list. So any movies and TV shows that you want to watch and things that you have watched. And then also, this is really cool. We have a seasons database where I made a mood board and all of the stuff to cultivate the vibes of each season. We've got activities to do, places to go, things to watch for each of the seasons. I really don't give a fuck about these two, but I love summer and autumn, so you could do with these what you will. I just put a little basic structure for you and you can make it your own, but I wanted to add that there because I love cultivating the vibes every season. And then under learning, we just have a notebook, which is, this is the life notebook. So for different areas of life that you're interested in, courses, things you want to learn more about, it's just notebooks for any notes that you take on anything. So that's a little rundown of what I've done on Notion, and this is exactly how I rehauled mine. I'm not finished, and when I am done, I'll do the whole run through video, but I just wanted to show you kind of a little sneak peek of everything that I've been doing. That's everything for this vlog. I'm gonna start up my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.